Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study aesthetic notes. First, gather your supplies like colorful pens, highlighters, and sticky notes. Next, select a consistent color scheme for each subject to create visual cues. Organize your notes with clear headings and subheadings, making them easy to navigate. This initial setup is crucial for effective and visually appealing study sessions. Remember, the goal is clarity and engagement. Once your notes are ready, structure your study session effectively. Break down large topics into smaller, manageable sections to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Integrate diagrams, doodles, and other visual aids to reinforce understanding and memory. After reviewing a section, summarize the key information in your own words. This active recall method significantly boosts retention and comprehension. Active recall is vital for mastering your material. Regularly test yourself using flashcards or self-made quizzes to identify areas needing more attention. Try explaining complex concepts aloud, as if teaching someone else. This deepens your understanding. Implement spaced repetition by reviewing your aesthetic notes frequently over time. This method helps transfer information from short-term to long-term memory. To truly maximize retention, always connect new information to your existing knowledge base. This creates stronger neural pathways. Ensure you have a dedicated, distraction-free study environment to maintain focus and productivity. And hey, if your car needs a refresh, check out the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Keep your study space and your car feeling fresh for optimal learning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.